Frieza in the shower. Last season of Dragon Ball sucked. I don't know, I just don't like Moro. Didn't like Moro Saga. They always have him cornered. He just has some backup bitch that he gobbles up, and now all of a sudden he has the power to absorb stuff. Vegeta got power to instant transmission, but he's only going to do it once. Sure, you're like. And I think he has some sort of power to beat stolen power out of someone. It's pretty convenient. And then Goku gives Moro a Senzu beam. Why do they even give Goku Senzu beams at this point? Or at the very least, why don't they have like a 30-minute waiting period to give Goku a Senzu beam? I mean, it should just have like Krillin be like the head of the Senzu beam bank or some shit. I don't know. That angel guy sacrificed himself, his entire life force, to save everyone. And Goku just gives Moro a fucking Senzu beam. Goku's the real villain here. All he cares about is combat. He even said so. I don't know. The whole thing just seems so rushed. I'm not seeing the same passion I'm seeing as I saw in the Frieza saga or Cell saga. Yeah, it's like we're just going through the motions, coming up with different hair ties. I wonder if they'll make the Rock Lee show. That would be the greatest show ever made. The animation budget would be like $1 million per episode, though. Check that, 40 million. What the fuck is this Boruto shit? I want the Rock Lee show. I want to see Rock Lee kick the crap out of people. I want to see how guys Sensei got the way he did. I don't even give a shit about the Naruto characters. I care about the fucking characters that actually know how to use karate and shit. I mean, you have your demon powers, and Rock Lee has whole grain and Bible. What if Vegeta wanted a spell show? There he is! Get down on the ground! Get down on the ground! I am in the shower! What the fuck? Get down on the ground! Fuck! Ah! Mark it down! Ah! What is this all about? Goku comes in dressed as a widow. 4 years ago, you took my lunch. And you took the banana out that lunch. And you nailed that banana to a wall. It was rendered useless by the time I found it. I needed that banana to go with my Raisin Bran and my hamburger. Raisin Bran, banana, and hamburger. The perfect lunch. And you ruined it. I had to settle for Metamucil. Fucking Metamucil. Ah! Ah! My goddamn tummy. Ah! Yes, I did burn your banana, Goku, and I'll murder all the bananas and ruin all your Raisin Bran, because no one deserves a perfect lunch of Raisin Bran with fucking banana in it and hamburger. Fuck all of you! Take this sickle away. Ah! Ah! Screw you! Be a long day before that banana murdering motherfucker sees the light of day.